Hi everyone, welcome back. Um, yeah, I'm basically in this video, I'm going to show you what I used to make and feed the babies in daycare if they were extra hungry and the bottle was not enough for them. Usually I used like puffs like this, Gerber puffs. We provided that in the daycare. Um, the Gerber oatmeal was another, and also these organic uh, baby food parades, which they all love. So you got plum, you got Gerber organic, you got Happy Baby, and they're all very good. uh, so basically, what I do is I start with a bottle and I make the formula. This is real formula that I just made up. Uh, and I do have actually just have a video out about how the warmer bottle in a daycare. And so now what I'm going to do is show you how I make that little recipe I came up with, mixture I came up with for the babies, and the babies love it. I have not had one baby that does not love this little little make I've made. So basically, I don't measure anything, not really. What I try to do is try to make enough for knowing the infant themselves. You know, some babies need a little bit more than others, so you don't know sometimes. So right now, this is a 5-ounce bottle, and what I do is I usually put in maybe an ounce of milk, of their milk alone. And then I mix it up. And I start to make it into a pasty consistency. I need to add more, I will. So I want to make it not too runny, a little thick. Something like this. And then I'll either add one of these, and I'm going to add in, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and do the pear, purple carrot, and blueberry. One of my favorites I like to use. I think it's actually one of the baby's favorites. And so I put like enough that I feel like is enough, because what it does is it helps give the this consistency some flavor. And I always kind of consider baby food not the most exciting, tasty stuff, because I really want the baby to eat. So I make it in this kind of consistency. And so I mix it up. It usually comes out looking like this. You can put a little bit more milk in it if you want, more cereal, and that's how I do it. After that, basically, and what I do is I feed them this first. So I feed them the cereal first, and then I give them the rest of their bottle. And it does the trick. It fills the baby up very fast. Baby's happy. Everybody else is happy. And, you know, they might, like I said, I give them a little bit of puffs. And yeah, that's it. And it's always worked for me. So it might not look too advertising to a normal, regular adult human being, but a baby like this. Babies like this. Believe me, it works. So your moms and dads out there looking for a solution for something easy and healthy. I think these are pretty healthy. Because you can use real fruit and real oatmeal, and you don't have to use this. But in the daycare, this is what we're capable of using. At least my daycare was. You know, this is what we used. So if you want to use like regular fruit and puree that, and then use regular oatmeal and use whatever kind of milk you want to use, because also you don't, some babies are using breast milk. So use breast milk in the cereal, you know. Um, so yeah, you don't have to use this particularly, but the idea is what I did, and it worked for me. So that's all. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys later. Thank you. Bye.